So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the rent calculator here on the apartments.com website. So once you're on apartments.com, go to the top left here to where it says menu. Then on the drop down, I want you to go down to where it says renter tools and then go ahead and press on that. Actually, go down to where it says rent calculator and just press on that. So once you're on this page, it'll basically help you calculate how much you should spend on rent. So if you go to this calculate my rent area right here, you can input your monthly pre-tax income. So for example, if you make $5,000 a month, you can type that in, input the percentage of your income that you're willing to spend on rent. So if you wanted to spend 30%, you can keep it the same. You can slide it to the left, slide it to the right, whatever you want to do. We'll just keep 30% as a base. So now it says rent budget based on the criteria you provided. Here's how much rent you'll pay monthly, which is $1,500 per month. Then you can go ahead and find your rental that kind of fits this criteria by pressing on search. You can also view the 50, 30, 20 guidelines here. So 50% of your income would go towards living expenses, 30% towards daily expenses, and then 20% towards savings. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but this is how you guys can use and access the rent calculator here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.